Hello everyone, welcome you all to the another video from my series MS Excel Basic. This is video number 3 and this time we will be learning the same topic, editing and formatting. In this video we will see again the font tab, resizing the cell, alignment tab, changing the column width and row heights, the font menu. In previous video I told you about the font, what are the effects you can change, you can bring in your font. So I told you about the bold, italics and underline, and shortcut for bold is Ctrl B, Ctrl I for italics and Ctrl U for underline. Once again we see, if I want to change the text and I want to bring the bold effect in my text, I want to make the text bold, I simply click on the cell and I will click again on B. You can see now the text change into the bold. Similarly, I will go to another cell and I simply make it active, then I click on I and see now it is changed into italics text. Now age, I will go and click on underline. Now we can see the age is underlined. So in this way you can use all these effects in your text. As well as I told you about the borders can be used, or you can customize the border also. There are so many types of borders, as well as if you click on more borders you will get the different kinds of border also. You can change the lines also, which type of lines you want in your border. It can be bold and the underline and dash and double line also you can use for the border. Then today I will tell you some more features of font tab. Now you can see over here, this is font. You want to change the font, you simply click on the down arrow and you will get the different types of font. So whichever you like to change, you simply search for it, scroll the menu and you will get. Suppose I want to use Bookman Old Style, I click on Bookman Old Style, and now what was my sale address, where I was in C3. So this C3, the fonts change into Bookman Old Style. I want to change my entire sheet and I want to change this. I want this font only in my entire sheet. So once again I will select the range and I will click on font and I will scroll down and see where is my Bookman Old Style. I click over there. Now you can see all the text change into the fonts change into the Bookman Old Style. Then you can see here numbers are written. This number is for the font size. By default it is 11. You can make it smaller or you can make it bigger also. If you want to change, you want to get from the list, you can get up to 72, but you can have the bigger than 72 also. So if I want the size 100, I simply click over here and I will type the size. If suppose I am typing 100, so all the size of the font change into the 100 and my selection was entire sheet. So this changes, you can see in the entire sheet all the cells the font size is 100. If I don't want this correction in my sheet, once again I can press on undo or I can simply type Ctrl Z. It will reverse the correction and you will get the previous sheet once again. Now come to you can see the color. This bucket is there and there is one A. So in this bucket, if you choose this bucket, it means you can change the background of the cell. Suppose I want to change the background of the cell, I simply click over here and I will choose the bucket. You will get the colors, whichever color you want, you click over there and the background of the cell gets changed. As well as if I want to change the color of the font, I click on this A and here also I am also getting the colors, and this time I can change the color of the font. Do remember, this bucket is for the background color and this A is for the font color. A is representing the font. Now if you go up here you can see there is a big A and there is a smaller a. So with the big A there is the up arrow. Here if you don't want to use this, want to change the size of the font from here, you can use this one also. If you click on this bigger arrow A, you can change the size of the font. As well as if you want to decrease the size of the font, you can go to the smaller A. There is a down arrow. You simply click over there and you will get the correction done in your cell, and the font comes to the smaller size. Now this is all about font tab. Now we will move to the alignment. Yesterday I told you about the alignment tab, and this is two types of alignment the Excel is providing. First is vertical and second is horizontal. What is vertical? If you are using the vertical, I will change the selection. Now what is my location? I can see in the name box my location is B4. It means what is my active cell? My active cell is B4. Now I want to use the vertical. If you use the first one, your text goes up. If you use the second one, your text comes in between the cell, and if you use the last one, your text go down. It means verticals, three alignments are there. Vertically your text will replace either up, center or down. Now come to the horizontal alignment. If horizontal alignment is the same, there are three alignments. One is left. The horizontal alignment give the position to your text horizontally. Means if you click in the first, your text goes to the left corner. If you click on the center, your text comes to the center horizontally, and if you click on the third one, your text go to the right horizontally. So I want to give the full effect to my entire sheet, and so I will select my all the cell, and I want vertically my text, I want vertically center as well as horizontally center. So you can see the correction. Now the text is arranged vertically also center and horizontally also center. Now come to the another thing. This is the wrap text. Wrap text, I will tell you about the wrap text. Now suppose your cell is the width, you have the limited place in your worksheet. You cannot change the size of the column. You cannot change the size of the cell, but means you cannot increase the width. Then what should be done? Suppose I want to write down the name of the I will come to the another one. I want to write down the name of the father also in the same field. So Suraj Singh, I will type Suraj Singh, son of Rohan Singh. Now you can see the text is bigger than the cell. Then what to be done? I can do one thing. I cannot change the width of the text because I am having the limited place. So I will click the cell where I want to make the correction, and I will go to the wrap text and I click over there. Now you can see automatically the text goes to the next line in the same column without changing the width of the column. Now you can see, and what is my cell location? B6 only. So this is the one thing you can edit or have the alignment in your text. The next thing is there, my heading is this one. You can see the name is quite bigger and it is not coming in one single cell. So what should be done? If it is a heading, you should not use the wrap text. Wrap text you can use in the column, but for the heading you can use another feature of MS Excel. You select from where to where you merge. There is a one feature, merging the cell. So I have taken the A1 to E1. These cells I want to merge. So once I click over there and I click on merge and center. When I click over there, now I will tell you the another feature of alignment tab. You see just over here, you can see this feature is for text direction. You simply click on any of the cell and you can change the direction of the text. If you want to use this rotate, you can rotate the text. You can rotate it down clockwise, vertical text, once again text up, text down, and as well as you can format the text alignment also as per your requirement. You can change the direction of the text. Once again I will undo all the changes. Now next you can see down there are two features. One is used to decrease the indent. What is the indent? Indent means it decrease the margin between the border and the text. If you are having the lengthy text, you can use this indent. It will simply reduce the space between the border and the text. The another one is used to increase the space between the border and the text. So these two features we are using when we are handling in the lengthy data. So this is all about alignment tab. Now I will teach you how to change the size of a cell. If you want to change the size of the cell, either we want to increase or decrease the width, or we want to increase or decrease the height. So whenever we talk about the width, we always talk about the column width. We don't talk about the row width because column are arranged horizontally. So width comes in the horizontal order. We always refer it column width. When we talk about the height, we always refer the row height because rows are arranged in a vertical order. So first of all, I will tell you how to change the width of a cell. So first click over here, and do remember, if you are changing the width of a particular column, so the effect you can see in the entire B column. You cannot change the width of a particular cell. If you are changing the width, so you can see the effects in your entire sheet B column. So I want to change the width of column B. So there are two options. First, either I will go to B and I will drag my mouse. Now you can see it is now bigger one. Another thing is there, another option is there. I will click over there and I will go to format menu. If I click over there, I will get the column width. Column width, it is now 9, but I can make it 30. As per my requirement, I can change the width of the column. As well as if I want to change the height, I will go to the row and I will increase or decrease the height of my cell or height of my row. And otherwise I will again click over here and I will go to format menu and I will choose row height, and here I can type any number as per my requirement and click on OK. Now you can see the effect you can see in the entire worksheet row 4, and this effects you can see the entire worksheet column B. And I hope you understood. In this video we have seen editing and formatting. Thank you for watching.